Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python urllib HTTP error 400 bad request, a comprehensive tutorial. HTTP error 400 bad request is a common issue when interacting with web servers using Python's urllib library, or any HTTP client. It signifies that the server couldn't understand or process the request due to a client-side error. Unlike 404, not found, which indicates the server can't find the resource, 400 suggests there's a problem with how you're requesting it. This tutorial will dissect the causes of HTTP 400 errors, demonstrate how to troubleshoot them using urllib, and offer strategies for prevention. Understanding HTTP 400 bad request. The bad request error is broad. Several factors can trigger it. Incorrect request method using the wrong HTTP verb, get, post, put, delete, etc., for the targeted endpoint. A server might only accept post for creating data, while you're using get. Malformed request data the data you send in the request body, particularly in post or put requests, is improperly formatted. This includes missing required parameters, incorrect data types, example sending a string where an integer is expected, invalid JSON or XML structure, exceeding size limits imposed by the server, invalid request headers. Headers provide additional information about the request. A wrongly formatted or missing header, like content type for post requests, can result in a 400 error. Incorrect URL. Typos in the URL or using the wrong path can lead to the server rejecting the request. Rate limiting. Some APIs enforce rate limits to prevent abuse. Exceeding the allowed number of requests within a given time frame can trigger a 400 error, though sometimes a 429 too many requests is used instead. Server-side issues. Though less common, a bug in the server-side application could incorrectly return a 400 error even if your request is perfectly valid. 2. Reproducing and troubleshooting with urllib. Let's illustrate a 400 error scenario and debug it. This code attempts a post request. If the age field isn't accepted as a string, the server will likely return a 400 error. The try except block gracefully handles potential HTTP error and URL error exceptions. Crucially, e.read.decode, UTF-8, extracts detailed error messages from the server's response, often pinpointing the cause. 3. Prevention and best practices. Validate your data. Before sending requests, thoroughly validate your data. Check data types, required fields, and format, JSON, XML, etc. Use libraries like JSON Schema for JSON validation. Inspect API documentation. Carefully read the API documentation. It specifies the required request method, headers, parameters, and data format. Pay close attention to examples. Use debugging tools. Network debugging tools, like your browser's developer tools, can intercept requests and responses, allowing you to examine the headers and data sent and received. This helps identify discrepancies. Handle errors gracefully. Always wrap your urllib requests in try except blocks to handle potential HTTP error and URL error exceptions. Log errors appropriately for debugging. Rate limiting awareness. If you're making many requests, implement delays using time.sleep to stay within API rate limits. Consider using more robust libraries. For complex interactions, consider more advanced libraries like requests, which offer higher level features for handling requests, headers, and error management. For example, the requests library simplifies the process and provides more informative error messages. 4. Example with incorrect request method ***. Let's say the /data endpoint only accepts post requests, but we try get. This will likely result in a 400 bad request if the server expects a post request. The solution is to explicitly use urllib.request.request to specify the method. By understanding the possible causes, using proper error handling, and carefully validating data and requests, you can effectively diagnose and resolve HTTP 400 bad request errors when working with Python's urllib or requests library. Remember to always consult the API documentation for specific requirements. Remember to replace https://api.example.com/data with a real API endpoint that allows testing these scenarios. Many free public APIs exist for experimentation.